Hello friends, Windrila Ghosh from Morpankh Dezine, directly from our studio Craft Adda, New Delhi. Uh, we are going through the harshest of the summer months. It's like end of May and Delhi is burning at about 47, 48. So we can only think about cottons and cottons and cottons. So my cotton creations, they are going on and on, but like whenever they're just getting done and finished, I definitely would love to showcase. So there are a few about 10 12 cottons quickly I would just showcase today. The first one, I start with the Madurai cotton. Madurai cotton from Tamil Nadu, they are one of the finest and one of the most comfortable wear in summers and otherwise also. Like, I mean, you can always carry Madurai cotton with the nice woven border and lovely cotton fabric, the base. So the first one I would showcase is this one. It's a Madurai cotton. So how, see this, that's the blouse, ajrak blouse. That's a natural dye ajrak blouse. So this Madurai cotton, see the woven border, lovely woven border, and the tie dye has been done on it. It is lovely bandage kind of a work which has been done on the body, Madurai cotton, and the palla. Now the palla has this kind of Lambani inspired hand embroidery. I would not call it Lambani, I would call it Lambani inspired hand embroidery. This is the embroidery. Can you see? Extremely beautiful. It's a grey beige with maroon combination. It is a grey beige with maroon combination. See the sari. Absolutely stunning one, and all are very uniquely created. So I can just showcase it very nicely. See. So that's the whole sari. That's the whole drape. That is the whole drape. And everybody who loves sari wearing knows how beautiful are the Madurai cottons. And see, these are the small mirror work all over the sari. These are the small mirror work all over the sari. And the palla is gorgeous with this kind of a beautiful hand embroidery. And so that's the pleats. That's the pleat. That's the pleat, and that's the sari. That's the palla. The whole sari has this kind of totally handcrafted. So that part is the whole body. The whole body has little bit of mirror work, and these are priced at 3250 plus shipping. 3250, 3250 plus shipping. The second one is, this is black. This is actually deep bottle green. It's a shade of green only, but it's kind of a forest green color, if I call it. So that's the woven border. That's the woven border. It's in maroon and gold. Zari is in maroon and gold. So that's a forest green with olive green combination, or not olive actually. It's a darker palette. It's a darker palette. That's the combination. So that's the palla. This. See the embroidery. See the embroidery. There are various stitches actually. There are kashidakari, there are run stitches, there are shadow work, there are feather stitches. So it's a combination of hand embroidery, full hand embroidery. Very, very beautiful and very pretty. And the whole sari has this mirror work with this bandage work done. So that's the whole sari. That's the whole combination. And that's the palla. That's the palla. So I've teamed up the blouse with a beautiful ajrak blouse like this. A beautiful ajrak blouse like this. See how nicely it is going with the embroidery and the whole drape. So that's the blouse you're getting. It's a natural dye ajrak, pure hand block ajrak from Bhuj. And so that's the sari. Sari number 2. Sari number 3 is really a Rama green kind of a combination with navy blue. See, sari number 3 is a Rama green kind of a combination with navy blue. How beautiful is the color combination? How beautiful is the color combination and the thread work? See the thread work. See the thread work. Extremely beautiful thread work all over the sari, all over the sari. So that's the whole sari. I'll just put a little drape, and that's the palla. Very nice. And I've given an ikat blouse. I've given an ikat blouse. It is a absolutely woven ikat patola blouse from Pochampalli. So that's the blouse piece teamed with this. That's the blouse piece teamed with this. That's the blouse piece teamed with this. So this sari is for 3500 plus shipping. The earlier two were 3200 plus shipping. This is 3500 plus shipping. Shipping within Delhi is 150 per sari, and outside Delhi it is 200 per sari. Now we come to another handcrafted sari, which is from Andhra. These are Andhra cottons, beautiful handloom Andhra cotton. See the lovely woven stripes. Can you see the Andhra woven stripes? See, extremely beautiful ones. And so I've given, these are plain saris actually. These are plain saris. I have given again a very nice handcrafted look. And lovely cotton, 100 cotton by cotton, absolutely cotton by cotton weave. And see the handcraft, and the flowers like this, the flowers, body flowers like this. So the whole sari has this kind of a floral getup, and there is in this border also there is this hand embroidery which is running. In the border also this line is running. So that's the whole sari. That's the whole sari. That's the palla, and that is the whole getup. How beautiful and a perfect one for the summers. The color palette is pastel, and there is this handcrafted one. It's a handloom one, and see how beautiful is the sari. And I have teamed again another ajrak blouse with this. This is the blouse piece is this. So this is the sari and that's the blouse. See how beautiful it's going. How beautiful it's going. So these are priced at 3500 plus shipping. 3500 plus shipping. Another a stunning combination in this is in pastel. This is chalk blue border. This is chalk blue border. These are all in pastel combinations. See the sari. उल्टा कर थोड़ा ठीक से. हाँ. This is the border embroidery. This is the border embroidery. See, it's basically a Bhuj inspired embroidery. It's more of a Bhuj inspired embroidery. So that's the Sindhi motifs. The whole palla has this. The whole palla has this kind of a work, and the whole body has this work. This kind of motifs. The whole body has this kind of motifs in multicolored. This kind of motifs in multicolor. See, multicolored motifs. And so the whole sari has this getup. Beautiful border. The border combination is lovely. It is, it is kind of a lavender, yellow ochre, then chalk blue. So these are the combinations. So I have given a ajrak blouse piece like this, matching with the embroidery. The ajrak blouse piece comes matching with the embroidery. See, the ajrak blouse comes matching with the embroidery. So that's the blouse piece. So when you put it on this and you just wear it. See how smart is the sari. how smart is the sari and blouse. So that's the whole combination. That's the whole combination. So in Andhra cotton, this is from Andhra. So these are from the Godavari region of Andhra Pradesh. A third one in this Andhra cotton, a lemon yellow kind of a border combination. Lemon yellow kind of a border combination. Lemon yellow and lavender. So this kind of line runs through the border also. This kind of embroidered lines run through the border also. And that's the palla. The palla is very rich. See the palla, richness of the palla. So this is this kind of embroidery on the palla, and the whole has this kind of look. The whole body has this motifs, this typical very Lambani motifs, like this, all over the sari, front and back, full motifs, front and back motifs are all over, scattered. So that would be the pleats, like very soft, everyday wearable, and nice cotton sarees, nice handloom cotton sarees, and teamed up with a natural dye blouse piece. It's a natural dye hand block blouse piece. So that's the blouse teamed up with this. That's the blouse piece with the sari. Take a screenshot and please write to me. These are all for 3500 plus shipping. Another sari, another very beautiful. This is a biscuit kind of a color combination. The body color. The body is this. Sorry, the body is in sea green color. So that's the body color combination. The pallu is like this. The pallu is like this. This kind of a work on the palla. That's the body combination, and this part is the palla combination. This part is the palla combination, and the whole sari has this kind of woven lines. This, this feather lines. This kind of feather lines. This runs throughout the sari. This feather lines runs throughout the sari. So the front and back. See, the line runs throughout the sari, the front and back. So that's the sari combination. That's the sari combination. That's the palla. And we have teamed this hand block blouse with the sari. This hand block blouse with the sari. This is the hand block blouse. That's the palla. So the blouse is like this. So it goes. It's basically teamed with this colors, this blue color of the palla. So that's the blouse combination. So blouse are little brighter in contrast. So it looked very beautiful. These are very typically Bagru hand blocks. These are Bagru hand block sarees. Very nice and very summery. Very nice and very summery. So that's the block on the palla. That's the block on the palla. The whole sari has this kind of straight lines. This whole sari has this kind of straight lines. Block. It's vertical lines. So very smart, and that's the palla. That's the palla, and the body is like this. And the blouse also comes from this only, from the running fabric. The blouse also comes from the running fabric with a different kind of, with this borders. This is for 1850, 1850 plus shipping. This sari is for 1850 plus shipping. Another very beautiful sari, very beautiful. These are all in normal cottons. These are all called normal cottons, cambric cotton or boiled cotton. So these are all the cotton sarees. This is also very pretty. This very traditional. Bagru is a place in Rajasthan where this traditional discharge block work is done. These are all by the discharge block work is done. So that's the sari. See, small paisleys all over the print. So that's the whole sari. and that's the pleats. Very smart, very comfortable, a lovely comfortable wear. The blouse actually is from running. The blouse is from running only. So you can figure out where to cut it or just wear it like that with a plain simple black blouse. So that's another. We come to another. It's all the scheme are largely today. It's like rust and maroon and muted colors. So that's another. That's a Mangalgiri cotton. It's a beautiful Mangalgiri, handloom Mangalgiri cotton with this kind of a hand embroidery. This kind of a hand embroidery. This is a Kashida Kari. This is basically a Kathiawadi. Sorry, not Kashida Kari. It's a Kathiawadi. It's a Kathiawadi embroidery. It's a Kathiawadi hand embroidery. The palla, see the palla. Beautiful. It's Kathiawadi hand embroidery. That's the palla. That is the whole palla. And the whole body has this kind of, you know, the front of the, see, this is the front side. That's the palla. That's the front part. And the whole sari has this kind of embroidered motifs. So it's a very nice short color between orange and maroon. So it's kind of a saffron sort of a shade. Not really saffron, but beautiful shade. Beautiful short color. And this is the peacock ajrak is the print, peacock print, which I have teamed up with the blouse. That's the blouse. And that's the sari. So this sari is for 3750 plus shipping. 3750 plus shipping. A mull cotton. I think I'm just done up with all the mull cottons. That is one mull cotton left now available. This is with a zari border. Very, very soft like butter. It's like butter. So that's the palla. That's the palla of the sari. It's a beige color. It's a beautiful beige. It's a yellow color. Actually, it's a cream color. It's a yellowish cream color, not a beige color. So it's kind of a this is the shade actually. That's the shade. So the achal is also hand blocked. The pallu is also hand blocked like this. And then the body. The body has, see, this kind of a self motifs, all hand blocked beautifully. So the whole body looks like this. The whole body looks like this. And this border also is hand blocked. This border is also hand blocked in paisleys. So the whole get-up of the sari is like this. Extremely beautiful sari. And that's the blouse. So that's the blouse. So when you wear the blouse with the sari, it will have a different level of fashion. You become a fashion statement. I believe that whoever, you know, it's just that how you feel about wearing a garment gives you that fashion sense. How much you feel about wearing a garment and how much you are confident in carrying a garment gives you that fashion statement, fashion sense. So thank you, friends. This was the final sari of this series. And this is for 3200 plus shipping. 3200 plus shipping. So let me know which one to go for and just give me a screenshot. Thank you so much.